Warning: Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised.
Tama bang ginawa nitong si Speaker Alvarez na panawagan kay General Bato? Ito'y post-analysis na ho ito, ano? Kasi pinagkaluban ng tiwala ni Digong, President Duterte, si Bato. Pero bakit ho nasabi nitong si Speaker of the House, Pantaleon Alvarez, mga tao ni Duterte to eh. Malapit kay President Duterte. Kasi nakikita niya to save the President for further embarrassment is for Bato, General Bato, to resign. And maybe I don't know the motive nitong si Pantaleon Alvarez, the Speaker of the House, to say things as resign. Maybe he's trying to look at the court of public opinion kung anong magiging a response. Kung ano ho ang tingin ng taong bayan, kung ito tatanggapin ba to shield para lamang mapagtakpa ito'y talagang shielding the President from further embarrassment na wag hong lumagapak yung sinasabing kahiyaan sa Pangulo. Kaya niyang panawagan ho noon. This is before the President stated and before the birthday ni General Bato na ang panawagan yun. He's also trying to, wait for a response ng Pangulo to say exactly either, sige, palitan natin. Pero hindi ho ganun. And continue ang tiwala ko. Sabi nga ni Presidente, kung wala akong tiwala, di wala kaming dalawa dito ni Speaker of the House. Sa birthday na ba ito? Ang ibig sabihin nun, my trust is with you. Ang sabi ni Speaker Pantaleon Alvarez, then trabaho lang to, alam personalan. Pero si General Bato, ginawang personal eh. Alam niyo ba sinabi? He takes offense. He took offense doon sa sinabi ni Pantaleon Alvarez na trabaho lang. Abay, Chief PNP. Parang dumarating parang pag mayroon palang salungat, pag medyo, it comes in the territory na kapag ikay Chief PNP, there's accountability, there's command responsibility. Pag medyo pala may magsasabi ng ganyan, you'll take offense. Balat sibuyas. Abay, mukhang may problema tariyan. Ang problema ho kasi rito ay talaga naman, yung mga bagay na yan, ang tiwala ho kasi ng Pangulo kay Bato nandyan. Pero pagpatuloy ho na may mga kapalpakan, medyo may mangyayari ng ganyan, ang mabubukulan ho ang Presidente. Hindi ho si General Bato. Ang hindi ko lang ho na makita ang punto ho yung nagagalit ho si General Bato. He took offense doon sa sinabi ni Speaker of the House, which is trabaho lang, alam personalan. Pag nagbalat sibuyas ka, ang pikon ay talo. Kaya nga sabi ni Lacson, mag-focus ka, General Bato. Stop always showbiz type mentality. You're a cop. Show them who you are, what you're made of, being a cop.